Hey everyone, we are going to make our very first program. We're going to use a website called glowscript.org. The very first thing you do is sign in. Now I'm already signed in, and so it tells me that where my programs are. My programs are right here. I'm going to click that and look. I don't have any programs. Well, first thing I want to do is go ahead. I'm going to add a new folder. So this folder is our physics folder. So go ahead and type physics. And this is 2019 to 2020. Great. So now we have our folder. In this, we're going to create our very first program, and traditionally, your first program is always called Hello World. And we're going to do our very first command. We are going to tell the computer print. You can't just say print, you have to tell it what to print. So you always do that by putting something in parentheses. And traditionally, you type in Hello World. Go ahead, come up here, click Run, and there you go. All done.